Good evening, friends. This is an offering message, as you know. I just want to briefly look at Psalm 78, verse 19. When Israel is in the wilderness and they spoke against God and they said, "Can God prepare a table in the wilderness?" Then David, years later in Psalm 23, verse 5, he said, "Lord, thou preparest a table for me in the presence of my enemies." You see, in both these Psalms, what a big difference. Israel was murmuring against God while they were in the wilderness, questioning whether God could provide for them when there was no food in sight, no malls, no groceries in sight. Their wilderness that they faced in those days is very much like our lockdown that we are facing. This lockdown is like another kind of wilderness. Business is down, the economy is down, the future is uncertain. This is our modern day wilderness. Can God provide in this wilderness? Well, in Psalm 23, David stated, yes, God was very much able to provide in the presence of his enemies and in the wilderness. You can look at the virus lockdown as a kind of an enemy even right now. It has halted the economy, it is attacking the health of people, it is causing untold misery all around. Can God lay a table out here? Just at this time, I was blessed to receive an income tax refund check, which came at a good time, I would say. And I was just thinking about this, how good God has been. He is able to lay a table in the wilderness. Do not doubt him. You know, the clothes on the backs of the Israelites did not wear out. The sandals did not wear out. The birds in the air are not falling down, are not dying because of COVID. They are being fed faithfully every day by their Creator. And do you think that we are not of more value than they? You are, I am, we are. Do not doubt God. Let us continue to just give him what is due to him, because we know our Heavenly Father is able to lay a table in this wilderness.